Hi, this is Rajesh Singh here. Three things no one tells you. Number one, problems are good for us because we cannot grow without the problems. But the problems can make you or break you. It's all depend on you, how you deal with the problems. There is a saying, no pain, no gain. Don't hope for the easy life, hope for the more adventurous life. Don't hope for less problems in your life, hope for more strengths in your life. Number two, everything is meaningless. We give meaning for everything. We are all going to die one day. So find your own meaning in everything, in any problems. You can give your own meaning in everything, in any problems. Number three, happiness is a lie. We think when we buy an iPhone, we will be very happy. But after buying an iPhone, we get happy for some time. But the happiness doesn't last. Don't postpone your happiness. Work hard without expecting the results. And the results will follow you. And you can be truly happy. Share this video with your friends.